Now we will make some onion. For this, we're going to use a little bit of white tissue paper. It could be white. I also have some very light pink. Either one is fine, and you'll see. We're going to take our tissue paper, lay down the onion. Try to start in a corner. Don't go right in the middle, or you're not going to have room for any more than one piece. So start in a corner. Take your pencil very gently. Draw around that. Trace the onion tracer. There's one. Here's two. I think about three. Cut them out. Tissue paper's a little bit tricky to cut. It likes to fall all over the place. So just take your time. Get rid of our scraps. Now, to really make these look like onions, we need to put some rings on there because onions have layers. So let's take a pink marker this time. We're going to start right in the middle and make a little circle. And then we can make a little bit bigger one. It can wave a little bit, but keep it basically straight. Nice circles. And I just keep on getting bigger till about like that. And there's one slice of onion finished. It's sticking to my finger. Make another one. It's okay, you can start at the outside or you can start at the inside. First one I started on the inside, this one I'm starting on the outside. That's the biggest circle. Okay, and let's make one more. Do your best to hold your tissue paper down while you're tracing it. It likes to move around with this marker. Okay. Now we're all done with the marker. You can see how the onion turns out right there. It'll be a little bit translucent. You'll be able to see through it a little bit. So then let's glue our onion on. Again, use our glue stick. Put some glue on the back. Might get a little confusing. What's the back? What's the front? It really doesn't matter. But do your best to stick it on there. And that'll dry a little bit darker. It might be a little bit hard to see, and you probably don't need too much glue on this because it is very thin and it's not going to take much. Be real careful how you stick this on. There comes my last one. And 3 pieces of onion right there. It may actually be easier with the onion if you guys take your glue stick. I realize this because this one tore a little bit right there. So I think when we do the tissue paper, let's use the glue stick. Put the glue on your paper where you're going to stick it and then lay it down. And that's going to keep your tissue paper from ripping and doing all kinds of weird things like that. So there's one more piece of onion on my sandwich.